Today I'm going to show you how to download voice from Google AI Studio. This is a fantastic tool for generating high-quality AI voices for your projects, whether you're creating content, building applications, or just experimenting with text-to-speech technology. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your web browser and head over to aistudio.google.com. Once the page loads, you'll need to log in with your credentials. Make sure you're using the Google account that has access to AI Studio, as this will ensure you can use all the features available on the platform. After logging in, you'll see various options on the screen. Look for the option that says Turn Text into Audio with Gemini and click on it. This will take you to the audio generation interface where you can customize and create your voice outputs. Now direct your attention to the right panel of the screen. Here you'll find different settings and configurations. Navigate to the Mode section and click on Single Speaker Audio. This setting is ideal when you want one consistent voice throughout your audio rather than multiple speakers, making it perfect for most standard use cases. If you want to fine-tune how your voice sounds, you can customize the temperature by clicking on Model Settings. The temperature setting controls the creativity and variation in the speech output. Lower values make the speech more predictable and consistent, while higher values add more variation and naturalness to the voice. Next, navigate to the Voice drop-down menu. Here you'll see a selection of different voices available for you to choose from. Browse through the options and select your preferred voice. Each voice has its own unique tone and character, so pick one that best suits your project's needs. Now it's time to generate your audio. In the text field provided, type the text you want to convert into speech. For example, you can type generate speech : hello, comma. This is a test. Once you've entered your text, click the Run Control button. At this point, you'll need to wait a few seconds while the system processes your request and generates the voice. This is normal, so give it a moment to work its magic. Once the generation is complete, the voice output will appear in the lower left section of the page. You'll see a preview of your generated audio here. To download it, simply click on the three dotted lines next to the audio file, and from the menu that appears, click Download. Your AI-generated voice will now be saved to your device, ready to use in whatever project you have in mind. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded voice from Google AI Studio using Gemini's text-to-audio capabilities. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.